Hello friends! Mercedes-Benz S-Class W224. This is a completely new premium car with a new design and technologies. Its premiere will take place in 2028. The new S-Class will feature a design inspired by the recently released Mercedes Vision iconic concept car, and we can already imagine what it might look like. Enjoy watching and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.